Good morning, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, this is Lane, one of the pro traders over at TradeUI. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you a morning breakdown of what we see in the market based on option flow that we saw yesterday. So I want you to sit back, take some notes, and let's get into it. All right, so I already have a cheat sheet set up here. What I see before the opening bell, which is 8:30 right now, so we've got an hour away, is a few things. I want to utilize stock twits and Wall Street bets to see what's really churning in the markets right now. So I already went through and looked at all the tickers right here just to save us some time. And an awesome setup that I see right now is CVS. CVS is booming this morning on Wall Street bets. So I want to see what's going on by looking at the option flow that comes in yesterday. So I just selected CVS, nothing special, just typed in the ticker here and I applied my filters. It shows me all the option data that came in for CVS. So I see a lot of bullish call activity coming in, a lot of moves to 72.5. I see a lot of in the money at 60, which is a little concerning. I really don't like in the money. I like to see out the money because I want to see people taking aggressive, riskier bets. However, in this case, there's 37 calls and 12 puts. So a strong call put ratio right here. Looks like it's almost 2 to 1, a little bit over 2 to 1 actually. So it is really good to see this money coming into CVS. So let's look at the chart and really see what I'm talking about here. So I have it pulled up on the chart here, and we're actually up a little bit pre-market. So we're moving pretty hard and heavy, even though when we go to the S&P 500, because that's always a good reference point to use. Let's see SPY. SPY is down in the pre-market, so seeing CVS up in the pre-market while the overall market is down is a really good sign for me that CVS has some really bullish activity. We go to the year-to-date chart. Let's see here. We can see that CVS has sold off heavily the past few months, and it looks like we had a big pop recently from 65 to 68. Looks like we're going to be testing that $70 mark here today. And if I zoom in right here, we actually have a strong support zone right here. So let me draw my lines out so I can show you what I'm talking about. I see a strong support zone right here. Because we have a touch here, kind of a breakthrough. Touch broke through, but came right back up, and a little bit of testing right here. However, it looks like we found support there and ran to the upside recently. Looks like we sold off bad lately, and it looks like we just broke through that 68 level again. So $68 is a really good price point here on CVS. If we go a little bit wider here, actually let me do this. It looks like we could easily target 75. We definitely are going to test 70 before we go to 75, but it looks like $75 is a very logical target here. And if we look at the live news, looks like we had some upgrades recently to outperform. Looks like outperform from peer performed the price target of 80. So people are expecting $80. It looks like they reaffirmed their guidance. Looks like they just had decent news come out about the guidance, so people are starting to upgrade their price targets. You always want to buy long-term companies like CVS when they're beaten down hard. This is a great opportunity to get on the dip. Take advantage of it. I mean, well, we got 69 right now. I think so. We're at pre-market 69.20. So if you can get at 69.20 and you can target 75, that's a great swing trade to the upside. Also, if you look, we're at a level that is a 3-year test point, and CVS has benefited from the COVID rally the past couple of years. That's something else you can look at too. However, right now it looks like money's starting to move into it. It's been sold off heavily. CVS is a solid stock for the long term. I might be taking a position on this one at the opening bell. But guys, the beautiful thing is we found this wonderful opportunity using TradeUI's option flow filter. And we didn't just use the option flow. We also use Wall Street bets and stock twits to determine what stocks are moving this morning, because that's how you win. That's how you take advantage. Figure out what's moving in the morning, look at the previous option flow from that day, and see if there is an opportunity out there. Because guess what, guys? Every time, every day, there's a new winner. If you want to find the winners every day, you want to sign up for TradeUI. We have a free trial. Go ahead and check it out in the description. Anything else you want to check out on the YouTube channel, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe. You can see more videos coming your way. Guys, we're going to end the video here. Have a great day.